Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets review video. In this video we have the Mpow D7 earbuds. These earbuds feature around 10 to 12 hours of playtime. They're waterproof IPX7, and they also come in several different colors. In addition to that, they're only $25 on Amazon, so check the link in the description to find that price. Let's go ahead and open them up and check them out. Remove this marketing sleeve. They come in a nice cardboard box. I like that because you can recycle it. Looks like we have a carrying case in here. A reminder not to charge these with a quick charge device. An owner's manual. Inside the case here, we have the headphones right here, the D7 headphones. Some different size earbud fittings, as well as cable management accessories. A micro USB to standard USB charging cable. So as you can see in this carrying case, it's very sturdy. So I think this would be very protective. And then there's like a little net in here that allows you to put the accessories in their charging cable. You can even put a very small power bank if you wanted to. It's pretty cool that they include this with the device. A lot of manufacturers such as Anker do not do that. So let's take a closer look at the Mpow D7 headphones. As you can see, very nice logo on it. This is the new Mpow logo that they've been featuring on all their products. It's kind of a smoke color, not exactly white, but not exactly gray. And as you can see, the entire earbud is kind of a gray, metallic, reflective color. It looks really cool. It's kind of flashy. I like that. You do have an ear hook on the top, and this is very flexible, so I think that'll be comfortable when you're wearing it. It'll kind of bend to the shape of your head or your ears so that it's comfortable. Then right here, we have an earbud fitting that is removable. And like I said, it came with several different sizes, so you can replace these and have the ones that fit your ear. I like to go with the smaller ones because with the bigger ones, it kind of acts as an earplug as well, so you can't hear anything around you. And when I'm exercising, I like to be aware of my surroundings. So that was the left earbud. On the right earbud, we have all of the buttons as well as the charging port. So this Mpow logo on the right earbud is actually a button. This is going to be your power and play button, as well as answering and ending calls. So you just press it like that. You get a nice sound and you can feel it. That's nice. On top we have the plus and minus buttons that are the volume and track control. And on the bottom we have the micro USB connector for charging. So we'll open that up. You do have a nice rubber gasket that goes in there, and that makes sure that these are IPX7 waterproof. These remind me a lot of the Mpow Flames, a little bit of a different design, but very similar in many ways. So as you can see, this little hole right here on the right earbud, that is the microphone. So these do have a microphone. You can use them to place calls. We'll test the quality of that microphone. You'll get to hear exactly what that sounds like. So really that's it on the D7s. They're pretty simple headphones. They seem well built, and I really like the look of them. Let's go ahead and get them turned on and then connect to my phone. So I'm going to put the Mpow D7s in pairing mode by just holding down the button right here. As you can see on the front of the earbud there is a light, and once that's blinking red and blue, it's in pairing mode. What comes up on my phone is Mpow D7, and we're connected. As you can see, they came fully charged. Alright, so I have the Mpow D7s in my ear. I'm also wearing my hat just to keep my hair out of the way. All the audio you're hearing right now is coming from the D7s, so you'll get a good idea of what they sound like. You're going to be using these to talk on the phone. Overall, when wearing these headphones, there's almost no discomfort. There's a little bit depending on the ear tip size, but I put on the smaller size and it's not too bad now. The one thing I do find uncomfortable is when I hit the button to turn it on or to pause and play, I'm kind of pushing it deeper in my ear, so I kind of have to hold it and then push it, which is just a little bit of something I have to get used to when using these. Don't stick out too far, as you can see right here, and they look pretty good on your head. There's a little bit of that shine that we were talking about earlier, and you can see the lights reflecting, and then this cable is not too long. When I'm actually working out when I'm wearing these, I'd have this cable behind my head, just because when I run, it'd probably be smacking my chest with every step that I took. Overall, I think the D7s look good, and they're also pretty comfortable. Alright, so that was an example of what the D7s look like and how the microphone sounds. I was actually very surprised with the quality of the microphone. It's very high compared to many earbuds like this, even the ones that have the dangling microphone. I thought it was a lot better than that. Today I wore these for around 5 hours. I used them on several calls. I listened to podcasts. I also listened to music. And I have to say, overall, these are awesome headphones. Sound quality wise, I did read online that the sound quality is not that great, but I found it to be a very balanced listening experience, meaning the bass and the treble come through clearly. They're both pretty powerful, but it was an awesome listening experience. Just very enjoyable. Vocals come through very clear. These are awesome for talking on the phone or listening to podcasts, anything like that. They're very enjoyable. I did have a little bit of discomfort around 3 hours in where I just kind of curled these forward, and that relieved some of the pressure that was on the inside of my ear. I don't know what was going on. Maybe I need to change the fittings right here. But overall, it was actually very comfortable. No problems wearing them. And they're so light that you barely even know that they're on your head. So that's great if you're working out as well. One downside I do have is this button on the side right right here. I don't like that because it's right over the area where your ear is. So if you press this button, if you have to hold it down for some reason to turn it on or off, you're pushing the earbud into your ear deeper, and I didn't find that to be very comfortable. But overall, great headphones. You get a really nice accessory case with them. For the price of around $25, I would say these are awesome headphones, and they also look pretty cool. So those are the Mpow D7 headphones. If you have any questions about these, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to add an Amazon affiliate link to the description below so you can find these exact headphones on Amazon. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.